virus from your computer. Ransomware threats are very dangerous because they encrypt all your files and demand ransom money to give you decryption key. It is quite hard to remove such threats and even harder to restore encrypted files without the decryption key. But in this video I am going to teach you how you can remove a ransomware virus manually from your computer and recover all your encrypted files without paying any money to the hackers. But before we start this tutorial, hit the like button, share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel for more updates and free malware removal tips. So let's get started. First, you have to restart your PC in safe mode with networking. This is the first process we are going to do. Press Windows plus R keys together on your keyboard. Now type msconfig and click on OK button. Here we are going to choose the boot tab from system configuration windows and click on save boot and then select network, then click on apply button and hit the OK button. Now all you have to do is click on restart button to restart your PC in safe mode. It will take some time, be patient. Now we are in safe mode. Open this PC, click on options and then click on view and then click on show hidden files and folders. Finally click on apply and then hit the OK button. Right click on the taskbar and select the task manager options. Now click on more details options. Here we are going to stop any malicious process running in the background of our system which is related to virus. First you have to find out any malicious or suspicious program running on your system, then go to the details and then right click on that process and click on end task button. Now we are done with this process. Click again Windows plus R keys together on your keyboard. Type appwiz.cpl and click OK button. We are going to remove any virus related program from our control panel. Here you can see all the installed programs and softwares on your system. Find any virus related program and then click on uninstall button. OK. Now we are going to remove any virus related malicious IP addresses from your system. In this PC, go to C drive, then Windows, System32, driver and etc. Follow this path and you will find the host file of your computer. Open that host file with notepad, just like I am doing right now, and then we have to remove all the malicious IP addresses from our host file. All the IP addresses down below the local host, remove them all and save this file. Again press the Windows plus R key on your keyboard, type regedit and click on OK button. We are going to remove virus related registry entries from your registry editor. You can see some paths on your screen. H key local machine software Microsoft Windows current version run. H key local machine software Microsoft Windows current version run once. H key current user software Microsoft Windows current version run. H key current user software Microsoft Windows current version run once. These are the paths where viruses mostly create their registry keys. All you have to do is find the virus registry key and delete it. If you are uncomfortable with this process, then please do skip this process because removing any wrong registry file may corrupt your computer entirely. In this guide, we will also teach you how to remove virus automatically from your computer. So don't get disappointed if you are not able to follow the manual removal instructions. You can also click the link in the description of this video to visit the malware removal website where I have created a detailed guide about this virus and how to remove this infection through automatic removal method along with the data recovery software which will help you to remove this virus completely from your PC and recover all your files. But for now we are sticking to the manual removal method, but be sure to check that link and visit that website for automatic removal help if you are not comfortable with the manual removal process. So if you are not able to find any virus related registry files, then you can click on Ctrl plus F button on your keyboard and then type in virus name whichever virus you want to remove and click on find next button. It will find all registry keys related to that particular virus name and you can remove them. Now moving forward, we are going to delete all the virus related files that are hiding on your computer at different location. Press Windows plus R keys together on your keyboard. Again, I am going to give you some paths that you can follow and look for virus related files and folders. These paths are app data, local app data, programming data, Windows directory, temp directory and the temp folder. All you have to do is visit all these paths one by one through the run command and find any virus related folders that have been created recently and remove them. If you are not comfortable with this process, then do not follow these steps. You can entirely skip this whole process and go to the description of this video to find the link of the malware removal website. Click on that link and download the automatic malware removal software and the detective software which can help you remove this virus and recover your files easily without any manual removal process. But for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to perform all these steps right in front of you and find and delete all the files that are suspicious and malicious or related to this virus. As you can see, I am trying to find any suspicious files or malicious files that are related to this virus. Keep one thing in mind that virus may create folders in these paths with different names to hide their identity. So look for any files added recently at the time of your system infection and remove them. At this time, virus might have probably been removed from your computer. So we are going to boot our PC in normal mode. For that, just click on Windows plus R keys on your keyboard, type msconfig and click OK button. And now again go to boot tab and uncheck the save boot option, click on apply and then hit OK button. And finally click on restart button to restart your PC in normal mode. As you can see, we are in normal mode. Now if virus is still on your PC, then you can restore your computer to a previous time to delete the infection. Type cmd in the search box and click on run as administrator option. Now here you can see we are going to type cd restore and then press enter. Then next type rstrui.exe and press enter. Here the restore file system restore box open. Now click on next button, choose the system restore point and click on next button and follow the instructions to restore your computer. But for this method to work, you must have a restore point on your computer, because without a restore point you will not be able to restore your system to any previous date. Sometimes viruses do remove all the restore points to avoid their removal. In this case, you are left with no other option than using the automatic malware removal tool to remove the virus from your computer. For that, click on the link in the description of this video to visit the malware removal website. Here you can see I have created a detailed guide about this virus for you. You can find all the important information that you need to know about this infection right on this page, like what is this virus, what it does, how it infects your computer, what types of file get infected by this infection, which type of encryption algorithm does it uses, how much money does it want you to pay for the decryption key, why you should not pay the ransom money to the hackers, and what are the alternative methods that you can use to remove this infection and recover your files without paying money to the hackers. Read all the details carefully mentioned on this website and download the automatic malware removal tool to scan your computer for hidden threats and malware. Remove all the threats from your computer at once and then download the detective software and scan your PC for the files which can be recovered. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then click on subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive all the latest updates and malware removal instructions. Thank you for watching.